When my days end, I might just fall in love. I know the DJ and I love this song. Me and you and the night feel so young. Every single moment has led up to this one.
Unload for large wooden crates heavy machinery. Imported Japanese. The crane truck reversed into position at the container door. Open the container doors and use a pry bar to remove the wooden blocks securing the crate. A pry bar is a specialized tool used to remove the wooden blocks securing the crate. The goods inside the container are secure with wooden blocks to ensure safety during transportation. Unload first crate. To pull the first crate out of the container, workers attach to clamps to the base of the crate. Cargo extraction clamps. And use the truck crane to pull the crate out of the container step by step. Before pulling the crate out, one pallet support came loose because the nails weren't tightened properly. So when the pallet's legs rubbed against the container floor, it became loose during the pulling process. After the wooden crate was pulled out of the container, it was placed on the truck crane bed. A 5-ton forklift will unload the crate onto the ground and move it to the right position. Part of the crate was still inside the container, so the workers had to stay far away, not to let the crate catch on the container door while lowering it to the ground, which could cause the load to fall. Therefore, the forklift operator needed to be experienced and handle the lifting and movement carefully. The crate is moved to the right position. Unload second crate. To prepare pulling second crate, after the clamps were installed, finally, ensure that all lashings securing the crate are loosened. Often the crate and the container have two wooden blocks securing to ensure safety for cargo. Workers had to leave the container and stay far away while the truck crane was pulling the crate out. The crane chains and cables were under tension, so very dangerous. Workers have to get out container and distance safety before pull crate. The truck crane pulled the crate out of the container. A 5-ton forklift will unload the crate onto the ground. The crate is moved to the right position. Unload third crate. To prepare pulling third crate, truck crane is pulling the crate out of container step by step. Workers have to get out container and distance safety before pull crate. Because the crane chains and cables were under tension, so it is very dangerous. A 5-ton forklift will unload the crate onto the ground. The crate is moved to the right position. Unload fourth crate. To prepare pulling fourth crate. Unloading the fourth crate out the container. This was the last crate in the container. A 5-ton forklift will unload the crate onto the ground. Dismantle the crate. Dismantling the first crate. Workers are dismantling the wooden crate panels. Remove the machine packaging. Dismantling the second crate. Workers are dismantling the wooden crate panels. Remove the machine packaging. Move the machine. Move the forklift to truck crane. After unloading all 4 crates from the container and safely handing over the machines to the company, the unloading operation was completed. The forklift was then loaded onto the truck crane, and the tools and work area were cleaned up.